That makes no sense. Here. Is this the starting point? Moko-chan, try going through the entrance then. If that's the entrance. Yeah! Oh, I haven't sneezing all morning. I can't go through this. Okay, well, I'm playing as Dixie, so pass. It kind of worked though. Papa. Papa. We have tissues. No more tissues. How they all got used up. Moco-chan. Yes. This sounds like an excuse. Okay. Okay. Just try shooting him while we're waiting, Moko-chan. Are you gonna sneeze again? We're not here to listen to you sneeze, Moko-chan. We're here just like Donkey Kong being played. I need a tissue. Watch out. I want a free banana queen. She tells us about the banana. Okay, let's go. Let's go make lives, Moko-chan. Yeah! How do we get out of here?